Hello, good morning. Good morning, children. Hello. Good morning. How can we talk, isn't it? The teacher has muted us now, so you can't talk to me. You can hear me talking, but I can't hear you talking, is it? Don't worry, I will unmute some of you so that some of you can join right in the conversation with me. Right, there you are. Okay, right. Hello children, I welcome you to grade 5 section, and this is the first lesson you are doing today, right? This is the first lesson you are doing with me, and I will invite you to have a fun time in grade 5, right? This section is full of fun. You tell me at the end of the lesson whether my lesson is fun or not, okay? Right? If at the end of the lesson, if you feel the teacher's lesson is nice, you just give me a high five or just give me a crying face. Okay? Right. Let me unmute some of you. Right. Let me unmute some of you. Okay, right. Fine. Right. So I will ask Chanya, unmute yourself, Chanya, and then Methuki, unmute, Ramesh, Danidu, unmute, and I have another beautiful girl. Who's this? Senaya. Senaya, can you unmute? And I have Manuti. Manu, can you unmute? And who is this child going round and round the chair like this? Who's this naughty boy? Are some more kids joining me? Let me see your beautiful faces. There's a lot. I didn't see you all. I have Javitu. Javitu again, can you unmute? And then I have Tiruni. No, Tinula Dirisingha. Unmute. Tinula, unmute. And I have Sanja. Is it Sanja Munasinghe? Sanja Munasinghe. Hi. And I have Navitu. Navitu is already. And then who's this? Beautiful hairstyle is there. Who's this? Netuki. Netu, unmute. Okay, right. Let me introduce myself to you. I am Miss Dineka. Right, you will get to know a lot about me in time to come today. Because like I am the teacher who has written all your English books starting from grade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10, 9 up to 9, right? And you will see my name in your grammar master book also. In this book also you will see my name, right? So you will remember me. I'm Miss Dineka, and there's another nice teacher who's waiting to teach you English. She's Miss Sali, right? Another fun teacher. So together me and Sali are going to take you in a very fun lesson, a lineup of fun lessons in the first term, right? Okay, right, Putala, let's talk about the things we did in the morning. Pute, can I show you what the teacher did in the morning? See, look at me. What did the teacher do in the morning? Can someone tell me? Speak. Yes. What did the teacher do? Teacher brushed the teeth, right? And then see what the teacher did. Another teacher did in the morning. Me, see, Pute. Teacher washed the face in the morning. Okay, now let me ask from Netuki. Netuki Kulatantri. What did you do in the morning? Tell me something you do every day morning. Tell me something you do every day morning. Eh? Yum. What is that? I eat. Right. So Putala, today we are going to talk about the things that we do every day. Okay, Savi the 5E. Right. Now you must be having a book to write your notes, don't you? Do you have a book to write your notes?
Yes.
Right. Take that book out. Take that book out. Huh? Chuti kukul pata, me pata. Teacher said kukul pata. Right? Take your writing book and give a nice hug. Your book is waiting. Your book is waiting in the bag for so many months. Right? Now, not this book. Take your writing book and chuti patao. Turn to the very first page. Open up your book. Okay? Can you show me your books? Not this one, Ani. Your writing book. See what Umeth is showing. Umeth, Ani, beautiful covers. There are 1 or 2 horagidi without covers. Right. Very good. Well done. Lehansa, have you put a cover? Naughty girl. Right. Okay. Very good. Right. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Put them down. Imen Gunatilak. Thank you. Right. Now, Puta, turn to the very first page of your writing book. Turn to the first page of your writing book. And Pute, I'm going to show you something. You are going to write this in the writing book. Okay?
Okay.
Can I push all of you to a side? Okay. Go. Naughty kids, go away. Naughty kids. Pute, in the very first page, shall we write first term like this?
Okay.
First term. And Pute, now can you see a small box around it? So you also can write a small box. Draw a small box around this label.
With the pencil, teacher?
You can use a pencil or a pen, anything, right? Make sure your handwriting is really beautiful. Omen. Okay. Right. So first term. So in the very first page, you write first term. I don't think I had to share the screen with you. You can do it on your own, isn't it? TERM, term. I'm sure everybody can write that. Is Lehansa writing? Disanayaka, 5F. Are you writing? Okay. So in the very first page, you will write first term and then you will draw a square around it. Why are you putting a square around it? You know why? The first term will run away. The first term will go out. We had to put it in a cage. So put a square, right? Metini Amarakun. Unmute. Okay. Have you come across this problem in your smaller grade, Metuki? Sometimes when the teachers give you homework, Metini, sometimes you forget that. And when the next day you come to school without doing your homework. Has that ever happened to you? Has that ever happened to you? Sometimes it happens, when the teachers are giving a lot of homework, you may tomit. Sometimes we can't remember them, no? In grade 5, I have a great way to remember all the homework the teacher is giving you. What is that? That is, I have something called homework management folder. Homework management folder is a big thing. No, right. Now, Putta, I will explain that to you. Now, you wrote first term in one page. No, Putta? Huh?
Yes.
Turn to the next page. Take the next page. And then, in the next page, you are writing what the teacher is giving you. Okay, wait. Let me write that. Okay. In the next page, you will write what the teacher is writing here. You will write this one. Okay? You will write date. No, it should be like this. D-A-T-E, date. And then write something like this. And then write homework to be done. Homework to be done. Right. Now, Putala, don't look at your ummies as if you did not understand what the teacher said. There are some of you looking at ummies. Right. Now, Pute, date and homework. Now, Putala, can you see teacher's cursor? Can you see teacher's cursor? Ding tong, ding tong, ding tong. Right. Now, I want you to take your ruler, Senaya, and draw a line like this. Right? Take the whole page. Mulu pituama ganna. Take the whole page. Draw a line like this. So you have date here and the homework to be done in the other. So what we are going to do is every day when the teacher is giving you homework, you are writing it down in this page. So it's easy for us to remember, isn't it? Can you show me what you wrote in the book? Can you show me what you wrote in the book? Hold it to the camera once you finish writing. Sanahas, I like your headset. Sanahas 5E. I like your headset. Huh? Will you let me share that? Then it's very expensive, right? So you write date, Senaya, beautiful smile. Homework to be done. Lehan Sadesanayaka, very good. Well done. Well done.
Teacher, we need to write the date also. Here.
Don't write the date yet, Pute. Don't write the date. And then Putala, have you finished writing this? So after writing this, what do you do? See the cursor, teacher's cursor. Here you draw a line like this. See, my line goes with the music. Tin, 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 tin. My line goes with the music. Right. Now, just write today's date here. You see what the homework teacher is giving today. So you write 21. Hey, look at this. Don't you think something amusing in the date? 21. Huh? There's a pattern, eh? 21. So you will write the date like this. And don't write anything here, Bute. Don't write anything here. Teacher will give you a homework. I will give you a homework at the end of the lesson. Okay, Lehan Sadesanayaka. Do you understand what the teacher said? Okay, yes. Fine. Can I exit? Can I exit then? Still writing.
Teacher, I'm finished writing.
Okay, good. There are 6 children who have raised their hands. Wow, Chanaya, Chanya. Very good, Chanya. Good girl. Netuki. Chanya, thank you, Chanya. I like your pinafore.
Welcome.
Okay, right. I think, thank you. Thank you, Netmini. Thank you, Senaya. You met Omain. Are you done? Okay, Risaki Boteju, are you done, Pute? Show your book to me. Very nice. Email? Okay, right, good. I think the time is enough. Right. Now, Puta, as I said you earlier, today we are going to talk. Well done, you met. Today we are going to talk about simple present tense. Simple present tense tells us how we can make sentences about things that we do every day, right? Now, before I do that, I want to do something fun with you. Can we do that?
Yes.
I wonder whether my headmistress, madam, she's there in the other room, whether she can see me dancing. I'm going to dance with you. Shall we? Ring, right? That's right. Okay, here we go. Not this one, Nane. Not this one, Nane. Not this one even, Nane. Here comes the fun thing. It's a song about, here we go. You need to dance with me. Ready? Oops, it went again. Where did you go? Come back. Okay, 1 minute. Is your Amis and Tatis there? I wonder whether they will see me dancing. Hey, sing.
Every day. What do you do every day?
Is your Amis watching?
Every day. What do you do every day? I take a bath. I take a bath every day. I take a bath every day. brush my teeth. I brush my teeth every day. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth every day.
Come on.
Every day. Every day. What do you do every day? Every day. Every day. What do you do every day? I ride a bike. I ride a bike. I ride a bike every day. I ride a bike. I ride a bike. I ride a bike every day. Every day. Every day. What do you do every day? Every day. Every day. What do you do every day? I go to bed. I go to bed. I go to bed every day. I go to bed. I go to bed. I go to bed every day. Every day. Every day. What do you do every day? Every day. Every day. What do you do every day? What do you do every day? What do you do every day?
Right? I hope did you enjoy it? Right, give me high five if you have enjoyed it. Yay! Yay, 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 yay. Right, very good. Right. Now, Putana, I told you that today we are going to learn. Thanks, Yumet. Thanks, Yumet, Omain. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Netmini, for your high fives. All right, I got a heart also. Right. Now, children, today I told you that we are going to learn about simple present tense, isn't it? Right. Now, you wrote first term in one page. Second page, you wrote the homework for the third page. Thank you so much for all the, let the teacher give you another heart for you. Ting, ting, ting. That's for everybody. Okay, right. Now, Putana, all of us will take our writing book. I'll go to the whiteboard once again. So we are going to write about Omid. It's so tiring after dancing. Make it, you know, teacher has been teaching since 8:15 and I dance 5 times. I did classes for grade 5A, 5B, 5C, 5D, and now you, teacher has been dancing a lot and now I am puffing and panting. Right, okay. Take your writing books, everybody. And then we will write the topic for today. Odara. The topic goes as, everyone, simple present tense, okay?
Teacher, we have to write that in the next page?
Yes, darling. We write it in the next page.
Present tense.
Utala, I hope your ammis and tatis and achis and Sia did not see me dancing next. Okay, simple present tense, right? We just write simple present tense. And then today we will write a small description about simple present tense, okay? I know your hands are very lazy. Tell your hand to wake up. Hey, hand, wake up. You need to write because your hand is resting for 1 whole month. Okay, this is what we have to write, Puta. We will just write simple present tense. Be a little quick. Simple. Oh, you have to start with the capital letter. Simple present tense. Simple present tense is used. Write the sentence, Baba. Kukul patao, me patao. Teacher called you kukul patao, me patao. Simple present tense is used to describe actions that take place Regularly.
Take
Regularly. Right. Simple present tense is okay, there's someone who's very noisy. Who is this noisy cool patia? I am going to mute you if you are shouting. Chanaya, isn't it? Chanya, isn't it Chanya? When the kids are very noisy, teacher is muting them. Simple present tense is used to describe actions that take place regularly. But regularly means the actions we do every day. Regular. The meaning of the word regular is something happening every day. Like, I brush my teeth, I go to school, I comb my hair, Amma cooks rice. Those things are regular things. Every day it's happening. Is Amma cooking one day and the other day ordering Uber Eats? No, right? So Amma is cooking every day. So those are the actions that we do every day. And Tati going to office. So simple present tense is used to describe actions that take place regularly. Or actions accepted as a general truth. Right. What does that mean? We use simple present tense even when we want to talk about actions accepted as general truth. What are the general truth? What are the general things that is happening? Sunrise. It's happening. Everybody knows that, isn't it? It's a general truth. And yeah, sunrise is something happening. Everybody knows that. It's a general truth. And then moon shines in the night. Okay? It's a general truth. Then birds fly to their nests when the evening is coming around. So that's a general truth. So when you are talking about actions we do every day, like brush, wash, cook, all these things, and the things that are happening on daily basis, like the sun shines, the moon is coming up, we use simple present tense. But in order to make it more clear, let me write one example. We will write. Let me pick. Senuka Ranasinghe goes to school. Oops, I can't write that. No, listen. Chanya sleeps in the kitchen. I can't write that. So I will just say, I will write something. He he's smiling. He goes to school. Okay, now teacher is doing a Zoom lesson. No? Imagine when the teacher is doing lessons in the class, the fun we can have. What not we can do? Ne? We can sing and dance and do all sort of things. I am waiting till you come to me. First thing I will do is to give you a big hug, like that. I can't hug. No, I had to wear my mask. Okay, he goes to school. That's my first example. Now, Puta, when I say he goes to school, it's an action that takes place regularly. Isn't it Hirukiyo Kitma? Isn't it Chuti Patiyo? Right. Now, I will write another example. Yes, second example. The second example, shall I write about the sun? So I will say the sun rises. The sun rises from the east. So it's a general truth. Everybody knows that. So the first example, he goes to school, deals about an everyday action, and sun rises from the east is something everybody know. Right? To talk about these things, Puta, we are using simple present tense. Metuki, Metuki, I'm muting you. Someone is calling Metuki. Metuki. I wonder whether it's the Santa giving you a call. But the Christmas is gone, ne, Putte? Santa can't come down. Ne? It's lockdown, no? Okay. Right. Sanuja Munasinghe. Hi, Sanu. Sanu Patio. Can you unmute? Huh. Pute, once you
Teacher.
finish. Yes, Pute?
Teacher.
Yes.
My birthday is January 27th.
Your birthday?
January 27th.
Your birthday?
Yes.
I am coming.
Okay.
I want a big piece of cake about this size.
Okay.
With me? What are you looking at with me? Okay, have you finished writing this? Show me a hand emoji. So I'm waiting to see.
Teacher. Teacher.
Thank you, Sanvidu. Yes.
Teacher.
Yes, Pute.
Teacher.
Hmm?
Can we write the examples?
These two examples also you had to write, Patio. That's all. Ane, with me. With me, show the book. Ane, everybody look at with me's book. Very good. Good girl. You have already finished. Ramesh, Danidu. I like your purple color t-shirt. Can I share that? Will you? Hi, Sanu, you are Munasinghe, you are done, no? What about the others? Are you all done? Everybody, are you all done?
Yes, teacher. I done.
Ah, good. Right. Okay. Thank you.
I am done.
Ah, good. Now, Pute, see, when we were small, we used to say, I am finished. Neither. I remember, right? Some of the children in smaller grades, they say I am finished. That's something wrong, right? Once you complete doing an activity, you have to say I am done. Not I am finished. Teacher, I'm finished. Huh? No, I am done. Okay, so we are learning good English. All right. Now Kukul Patao, teacher said Kukul Patao. I forgot. You are not Kukul Patao, ya Babalane. So we are learning about the simple present tense. So I'm going to show a small PowerPoint presentation the teacher has made. Enjoy that. So we'll go to the beginning. Now, Putala, you might remember in grade 4, now can't talk, Pute. You might remember when the teacher is starting a new lesson, teacher uses something like volt. Right? Do you know that? What does volt mean?
Learn today.
What are we?
Things we learned today.
What are we learned today? So, who can tell me the volt today? Ramesh Danidu, can you tell me the volt today? Dancing. Oh, we learn to cook. Is it? Ramesh, what is our volt today? What are we learning today? Okay, somebody else can give a try. Yenul. Yes, Yenul, give me a try. What are we learning to do? We are learning to make sentences in simple present. Okay, right, everybody. So I'm going to show you the wall for today. It's this. My computer's got stuck. Naughty computer. I'm angry with you. Come. Ayyo, it's not coming.
Do you teach of you use a mouse? It won't happen like that.
Yeah, I know. When you come to grade 5 section, you tell me what to do. Okay.
Right? I use a mouse. I am on the computer.
Okay, right. Now, Buta, I am going to show you the wall today. So this is the wall today. So in today's lesson, we are going to learn about simple present tense, and we are going to make sentences in simple present tense. And thirdly, we are going to learn about the verbs, how verbs change with the noun. Right. Now, Puta, look at this. These are some of the things that we do every day, right? Now, the first one, children going to school. There's a noise coming in. Can I ask that Basunai uncle to stop making noises? He's trying to bring the ceiling down. Just hold on. 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. I told the Basunai uncle to be quiet. Right. Okay. Right. So Putta, look at this picture. Look at this picture. In this picture, you will see certain things we do every day. Can you make a sentence, everybody? We go to school, and then this one, we
brush
brush our teeth, and this one, we wash our face, and birds. Birds, come on. Birds fly in the sky. Hey, look at this one. This is something we do these days, aren't we? Even when we go to the supermarket, when we go to clothes shop, when we go to pharmacy, all the time we do this. What is this?
It's most common these days.
We wash our hands. We wash our hands. And this one, look at teacher. What is this? We
have to wear our mask.
We wear our mask. We wear our mask. And finally, look at this one. Another thing that we do every day. In the night, after finishing all the work. Yes? Oh, we go to bed. We go to bed. Right? What about this one? Now, in simple present tense, we talk about these things also. That means the things that are happening every day. Everybody knows this. Yeah. Sun shines. And this one? Butterfly collect. Butterfly collect. Nectar. Very good. This one? The moon. The moon shines in the night. What about this one? Stars shine in the night. What about this one? I'm going to show you some. Oh, what is this? Today, you are doing this, right? Children, what do you do in the evening? Children.
Cartoon.
Sanuti. Sanuti, what? Children watch cartoon. And dogs. Okay, come on. Dogs eat bones. Dogs eat bones, isn't it? And this one, Sundays people do that. On Sundays, people go to church. Go to church. Now, Putala, teacher is going to teach you something very important. So we are going to do hands and eyes. Go, all of you, hands and eyes. Go. Hands and eyes. 1, 2, 3. Hands and eyes. Go. Hands and eyes. Go. Everyone. Hands and eyes. Right. Be like that. Because teacher is going to teach something really important. Right? Okay. Before that, we will do that class thing. Class.
Yes.
I said only once. Class.
Yes.
Class.
Yes.
Now teacher is going to say class like a pussycat. Class. Meow. Yes. Meow. And now the teacher is going to be a dog, right? Claws. Bow.
Yes.
Bow. Okay, right. Now make smart choices. Teacher is going to teach you something really hard. Put a look here. Now put the next slide. Now Putala, look here, very important. Put when we are using plural nouns and I and plural nouns. See, I, and when you say we, say there's a lot. Godakin on it, plural noun. When you say you, godakin on it, plural noun.
Yes.
When you say they, godakin on it, plural noun. Yes. When we are using I and any plural noun, we keep the verb in the base form when it comes to simple present tense. It will be clear to you like this. Now see Pute, when you say I, kukul peta me peta, are you looking at this? When you say I, now look at the verb Pute, eat. I am just writing eat only. I am not adding an S there. I say I eat rice. Look at the next one. We, and see the verb Pute, brush. Has the teacher added any S there? No S. No. We brush our teeth. And the third one, when you say you, there's a lot, no? See the way the teacher has kept the verb play. You play cricket. Understood? But Pute, when you are using singular nouns, Imen, Gunatilaka is different. See? When you are using singular nouns, see Pute, He is a singular noun. Ekkene. Ne?
Yeah.
She, ekkene. It, who, ekkene. We are adding S or ES to the verb. It will be clear to you when you look at this. Now see this one, Pute. You know these things. We have learned it in grade 1 and 2. See, Pute. She. You can't say eat, Pute. You have to add an S there. So your sentence should be read as she eats rice. Next one, he. When you say he, it's again singular. Yes, how will you say? Brush or brushes? Brushes. Me, can I tell you an easy way to remember? Pute, can I tell you an easy way to remember? We will remember it like this. Me, look at me. Go, teacher diha balan. Look at me. Now, Pute, when you are using a plural noun, godak inna kota, palu nene, we are not adding an S to the verb. But when you are using a singular noun, ekkene, singular noun, ekkene kota palu neda Pute. So, to the verb, we are adding an S. Okay. Now, you have to tell me. I will tell you a noun. You have to tell me palui or palune. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We.
Palune.
Okay. Dogs. Palune. Mother. Palui. Okay, this one. Grandmother. Okay. Headmistress, madam. Palu. Children. Palune. Right. Now you remember. So for singular objects on Ovanya, we are adding an S. For plural nouns, no S. Why? Palunani. Now you understood. Right? How many of you have understood? Give me a thumb up if you have got it. Okay. Yay. Okay. Now I'm going to give you a small exercise. Okay. Teacher okay, look at this one. Now look at this. I am asking this from Manuti. It's a game between Manuti and me. Manuti Odara. Manuti can't answer. Others don't help, right? Manuti, look at this. Manuti, unmute Manuti. Right, now see, there's a bowl, okay? Bob, read books or reads books? Bob
reads books.
Are you adding an S or not? Adding S. Yay! Give a clap. My children won't teach a loss. Children won't. Right? So, children get 1 point. Okay, can I go to the next one? This time I will ask this one. Dimitra, the blue color stripy shirt. Right? Unmute. Right? Another game between teacher and children. Okay? Can Dimitra give the answer? Okay, birds. Right? Birds fly in the sky or birds flies in the sky?